Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix Safari not working or loading sites on any iPhone. Now, if the Safari web browser on your iPhone is not opening or loading websites, now to fix this issue, first of all, you will need the password of the parental controls of your iPhone. Once you get the password of the parental controls, then go to the home screen and open settings. Now in settings, just tap on screen time. And from here, you will find the option of content and privacy restrictions. Just tap on it, then tap on App Store Media, Web and Games. On this page, just tap on Web Content and select Unrestricted. After you select Unrestricted, just go back to the Safari web browser and check if this fixes your issue or not. If this did not fix your issue, just go to your home screen and open Settings. Now from here, just go to Apps, and from this app list, just open Safari. And from here, just tap on Clear History and Website Data. Under Clear Time Frame, just select All History and enable Close All Tabs. Then select Clear History. Now, after you do that, just go back to the Safari web browser and check if this fixes your issue or not. Now, if this also did not fix your issue, then the website you are visiting might be blocked from the network you are connected to. Just connect to another Wi-Fi network if it is possible, or use cellular data to fix this issue. And this is how you can fix Safari not opening or loading sites on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.